What's going on, guys? My name is Carl from Techademics, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the brand new Gmail look. Okay, so once you log into your Gmail account to get the new look, all you want to do is click on this cog in the top right hand corner, and you want to click on try the new Gmail. Now if you don't have this if you don't have this option, that's because Gmail is actually introducing the new look in waves, so you just want to wait a couple of hours, a couple of days, and then it might pop up then. So once you do have that new look, it's going to come up with a pop-up window saying welcome. So all you want to do is click next, and then here's the different view modes that you can get, which might be quite familiar with. So I'm just going to choose default for now and click OK. So we're going to click the X on the desktop notifications unless you want them, and as you can see, the new look is actually a lot more flatter and cleaner now, and there's also a few new features. So to go over them new features, as you can see in the right hand side of the screen, there's this new bar now, and what you can do is actually access your calendar, which has also been remapped. You've also got a notes and tasks page, which you can connect with your Gmail account if you use Android. There's also new plugins or add-ons mode. You click the plus here, and here's a few of the new plugins that are already on this Gmail. I'm sure there'll be more that's added to the future. I haven't used these personally, so I'm not too sure what they do, but it looks like a good opportunity in order to customise your Gmail. So there's also a new snooze option. When you hover over your emails, there will be like these little pop-up links, or these pop-ups where you can delete them instantly, or you can put them on snooze, and you can put it on snooze whenever you like. So basically like quietens the email so you don't get the notifications until obviously the set time and date. You can also hide this little side panel here as well. It is a little bit buggy at the moment, but like I say, this is only the first release and there will be more features coming soon. For example, a confidential mode. I'm not too sure what that is, but that will be released in the next couple of weeks. Searching for your emails is a lot easier as well now, so just click search, and you can search for people and different emails up here, which is great. And there's also a new AI system as well, so if you do receive important emails and you haven't replied to them in like a couple of days or so, the AI system will basically give you a prompt notification to reply to that email. And there's also a new AI system where it takes you off these email lists that you don't actually use, which is great for not getting spam. And that's just some of the basic new features of the new Gmail. So I'm going to personally keep this on because I do like the new design of this. So thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Subscribe to see more useful videos like this, and enjoy the rest of your day.